up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Vladimir Guerrero Jr. So first let's get started on the left-hand side for the eye. And we're going to curve this line all the way around, spiraling that through, bring that back in. We're going to do the same on the right, so we're going to line that up at the same height. And again, we're just going to curve this around, bringing that back in on the side. Let's start on the top left. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. We're going to do the same on the right. And then moving down on a slight diagonal, we're just going to draw in another circle, making that one smaller. And then now let's just color in the pupil black. Let's draw in the nose. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a slight curved line. Dropping underneath, we're going to curve this line down, across, and then back up on the right. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a corner bracket on the left and right hand side. And now on the top, we're going to connect that by curving that over. And then underneath, we're going to bring this line down and then back up on the right. Let's draw in a curved line underneath. Let's draw in our eyebrows. So we're going to draw in a curved line on the right hand side. We're going to do the same thing on the left. We're going to close this off on the top from corner to corner, just arching that down. Let's come down and draw in the chin. So we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then stepping underneath again, we're just going to close that off with another curved line from left to right. Before we close off the side of the face, let's draw in the top of the brim of the hat. So we're going to draw in a curved line, extending that down on the right. We're going to curve the edges. So we're going to round those out, curving those in. Now let's close off the top of the brim of the hat. So we're going to arch this line across again, bringing that down on the right. Let's bring this line up on a diagonal on the left. We're going to do the same on the right. We're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then right on the top of the hat here, we're just going to curve this line around and then back down. Let's close off the side of the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, bringing that in towards the chin. And then we're going to replicate that, bringing that over on the right-hand side. Let's draw in a half circle for the ear on the left. We're going to do the same on the right. Now on the top, let's curve this line out on both sides. And then stepping underneath, we're going to arch this around and then back in towards the side of the head. Before we draw in the hair, we're going to come down and draw in the jersey first. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out for the shoulders. We're going to do the same on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw in two curved lines that join in at a point. On the left-hand side, starting from the top, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to replicate that on the right, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve this line out slightly on the left, and we're going to, again, do the same on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's bring the shoulders in. So we're going to curve this through. We're going to do the same on the right. And then we're just going to draw in a small detailed line, curving that up on both sides. Let's draw in the chain. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then we're just going to follow that through as we come up on the right. And we're just going to curve that up towards the top. We're going to do the same on the left. So we're going to extend this through. towards the top. Now in the center, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come down. And then we're just going to draw in 3 small circles for the buttons. Let's draw on the dreadlocks now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and in towards the hat. We're going to do the same on the right. We're just going to extend this one underneath the ear. Let's bring this line down on the left. So we're going to curve this line out, back around, and in. Again, replicating that on the right. Let's step underneath again, curving this out and through. On the right hand side, curving this over and back up. On the left hand side, we're going to draw in one behind here, curving this around and back in. Again, moving down, curving this over and back up. We're going to do the same on the right, bringing that over and then back through. Now underneath, curving this in towards the shoulder, bringing that back up on the side. We're going to do the same on the right, curving this in and up. And then on the right hand side, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming in. Now let's come back on the top. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to step over, replicating that on the right. Let's move down again. Drawing in another curved line towards the bottom. Let's move in. And we're just going to draw this on each strand. And then we're going to come across on the right and replicate that. Now let's draw in the arm. So we're going to have the left arm drawing in the holding in the bat. So we're going to curve this down on the top. We're going to do the same on the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the wrist, we're going to close this off by curving this around and back up. Let's drop down for the thumb. We're going to arch this down, up, and over. For the finger, we're going to curve this down and through towards the top. And then again, just curving this around and back up. Let's draw on the bat. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. We're going to extend this out, curving this around, flattening that out on the bottom, bringing that back up on the top. Now let's draw on the arm holding in the ball. So again, we're going to curve this in on both sides. We're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Now from here, we're going to arch this down on both sides again. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. From here, we're going to curve this around, down, and then back up. And then moving over again, curving this over and through. Now let's draw on the baseball. So we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the leg. So coming down on the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to bring this line out, over, and then in, and we're going to do the same on the right. Now from here, moving over on the outside, we're going to bring this line down, out, across, and then we're going to do the same on the left. Now let's move underneath. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Closing that off. Let's draw on the belt. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw on a straight line coming down. We're going to move over, doing the same on the right. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line. For the belt buckle, we're going to draw on a straight line on both sides. And then right in the center, we're just going to draw in a small rectangle. Let's come across again. We're going to draw in another straight line coming down. And then again, we're going to curve this out towards the side. Now let's draw in the legs and feet. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this line in on both sides for the leg. Then for the shoe, we're going to curve this out and then back down in the opposite direction. We're going to curve this around and back in towards the top. And then again from here, just curving this up. Now for the top of the cleat here, we're just going to curve this line down. And then we're going to curve this line in towards the side. Let's move underneath for the sole of the shoe. We're going to curve this line over and across. Let's move up. We're going to arch this line around and through towards the side. And then we're just going to draw in another curved line as we come up, spacing that out. And now we're going to draw in the cleats underneath. So we're going to draw in 4 curved lines, 2 at the top. And then moving down 2 at the bottom. And then now we're just going to go through with a thinner pen for the last little details. So we're going to come up and we're going to draw in 3 curved lines on the side here. We're going to move over on the left-hand side and just replicate that. We're going to draw in the blue jays. So we're going to start on the left with the letter B. Now let's draw in the letter L. We're going to draw in the letter U. The letter E beside this. Let's come across right in the word J. So we're going to start with the letter J. Let's draw the letter A. The letter Y. And then lastly, just the letter S. And that is it. That's how you draw Vladimir Guerrero Jr. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.